మరో బ్రేకింగ్ అంతోంది. ఎన్నికల వేళ తమిళనాడు రాజకీయాల్లో కీలక పరిణామం చోటు చేసుకుంది. ఏఎంఎంకే అధినేత దినకరన్ మళ్లీ ఎన్డీఏలో చేరారు. దీంతో ఒక్కసారిగా రాజకీయ పరిస్థితులు మారిపోయాయి. తమిళనాడులో అధికారమే లక్ష్యంగా ఎన్డీఏ కూటమి ముందుకు సాగుతోంది. ఇక ఈ క్రమంలో ఎవరు ఊహించని విధంగా దినకరన్ కూటమిలో చేరారు. రాష్ట్ర ప్రయోజనాలు, మంచి పాలన కోసం పాత విభేదాలను పక్కన పెట్టి ముందుకు సాగాలని నిర్ణయించుకున్నట్లు ప్రకటించారు. ఆయన కేంద్ర మంత్రి పీయూష్ గోయల్ తో భేటీ అయ్యి తన మద్దతును తెలియజేశారు దినకరన్.
Provide good leadership, good governance, social welfare for our sisters and daughters of Tamil Nadu, good opportunities and a bright future for the youth of Tamil Nadu, and will ensure that Tamil pride, Tamil language, Tamil culture will go all over the world and hold India and every Tamil with pride. Will make sure that we get good governance, a regime, a government that is dedicated to the welfare of the people of Tamil Nadu. And in that, my brother Thiru Dinakaran joining the NDA, coming back to the family, further strengthens our resolve and our commitment to bring to the people of Tamil Nadu a bright future, a glorious future, bring back to Tamil Nadu the pride that Thiru MGR, the pride that Thiru Jayalalitha ji, my heart goes out when I remember her leadership, the way she had made Tamil Nadu the #1 state in India. We are remembering Jayalalitha ji today, and we are all committed to upholding her high ideals and bring back the good governance that Jayalalitha ji gave to the state of Tamil Nadu. Vanakkam, Nandri.
Is there any other major parties on talks? மகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கீங்களா சார்? இருப்பா பேசி மகிழ்ச்சியா சொல்லுங்க சார்.
மகிழ்ச்சி மீண்டும் என்டிஏவில் இணைந்ததில் நான் மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். இந்த நேரத்தில் நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்ல விரும்புவது, பாரத பிரதமர் மோடி அவர்கள் மத்திய உள்துறை அமைச்சர் மாண்புமிகு அமித்ஷா அவர்கள் மூலம் தமிழ்நாட்டில் என்டிஏ கூட்டணியை பலப்படுத்தணுங்கிற முயற்சிக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்கின்ற விதமாக எங்களது பங்காளி சண்டையெல்லாம் தூக்கி ஓரமாக வைத்துவிட்டு விட்டு கொடுப்பவர்கள் என்றைக்கும் கெட்டுப்போவதில்லை என்கிற சான்றோர் மொழிக்கு ஏற்ப எல்லாவற்றையும் மறந்துவிட்டு அம்மாவின் ஆட்சியை மீண்டும் தமிழ்நாட்டில் அமைக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக 2021 மாண்புமிகு அமித்ஷா அவர்கள் எடுத்த முயற்சி அன்றைக்கு முடியாமல் போனதால் இன்றைக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டை